You can absolutely make $100 an hour or more as an online creator using only AI. And the people doing it are not tech experts or content pros. They're creatives who learned how to offer the right services using the tools already at their fingertips. I know how overwhelming it can feel to watch AI evolve so fast and wonder where you fit in, especially if you're just starting out online. So in this video, we're going to be breaking down 8 beginner-friendly services that you can start offering right now using AI. Whether you want to build a freelancing business, expand your current offers, or even create totally new income streams. And these really do work too. I have personally used 6 out of 8 of them to build my multi-6-figure online creator business. AI doesn't replace what I do, it just helps me work faster, serve more people, and deliver better results. And now I want to help you guys do the same. So let's kick it off with the one I recommend most if you've got a good eye for storytelling and you know what words make a video scroll stopping and high converting: becoming a short form video scriptwriter. Brands are constantly looking for short-form video ads to promote their products or grow their exposure, but most of them have no idea what to say, and that's where you can come in. With tools like ChatGPT, you can generate multiple versions of hook, intro, CTA scripts for Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts, whatever, based on the product, the target audience, and the brand voice. What makes this valuable is your ability to take what the AI gives you and humanize it to be more relatable to the client's audience. That means adding personality, tightening the pacing, formatting it in a way that brands are used to seeing and consumers are used to viewing. You can offer this as a standalone service or bundle it with video editing, voiceover, or UGC production. But even by itself, a strong ad script package can easily run $100 to $300 itself, depending on the deliverables, of course. Keeping up with the whole writing side of the content creator economy, the next service I want to spotlight is offering brand voice copywriting utilizing AI templates. Every brand needs a lot of content, but very few have the time to write it themselves or know how to make it sound like them. But with the use of AI tools like ChatGPT, you can generate caption banks, product descriptions, emails, or even launch sales page copy, all tailored to a brand's tone of voice. And once you've dialed in their voice, you can create reusable templates and content calendars that they can pull from again and again. The key here is that AI gives you a rough first draft, then you bring in the refinement. You choose stronger phrasing, break up the tone, match it to their audience, and deliver content that sounds like a real person wrote it, not a robot. These types of projects can easily be packaged at $500 to $1,000 plus per month for retainer clients who need weekly content across multiple platforms. But what if you're not a writer, but you do have an eye for what grabs attention in the first 3 seconds of a video on social? If that sounds like you might benefit from becoming a video editor for short form content. Tools like Opus Clip, V.io, and CapCut make it super easy to repurpose long-form videos into TikToks, Reels, or YouTube Shorts in just a few clicks. And yes, I am wholly aware that CapCut is currently under fire for their recent privacy policy updates, but I still love them personally as a platform. If you guys don't know what updates they've made to their privacy policy yet that's like pissing off a lot of creators right now, you're gonna want to know, trust me. So comment CapCut below this video and I'll personally send them over to you. But getting back to being a short-form video editor, what brands really care about here is video retention, and that comes from knowing how to cut the fluff, how to highlight key moments, how to layer in captions, transitions, and music that matches the platform they're going to be posting the content to. AI tools can speed this up dramatically, but your value is actually in the strategy and your understanding of where the hook goes, what moment of the video to start on, and how to keep someone watching for longer. Many editors charge $100 or more for a single short-form video, especially when it's part of a content repurposing package. Now, maybe you are more of a visual person, but editing the content isn't your thing. You're the kind of person who loves design, aesthetics, and making things scroll stopping, but more for static graphics rather than videos. If that sounds like you, offering carousel designs, including content plus captions, could be the service you've been looking for. Carousels are still one of the highest performing post types on Instagram and LinkedIn, but most creators and business owners don't know how to structure them for retention, or they don't have the time to create them consistently. Utilizing AI, you can take your clients' raw content, including blog posts, podcast episodes, YouTube videos, even their voice notes, and turn them into binge-worthy carousels using ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude AI for the writing, and Canva for the visuals. You can offer this as a per-post service or build out full monthly content packs. And because you're combining copy, design, and strategy, this is one of the easiest services to position at $100 an hour or more. Plus, Plus, you can also niche down by platform, audience, or industry and charge premium pricing. Now let's switch gears a little bit because not everyone wants to actually service clients. So if you'd rather build your own content engine and monetize it passively, the next one is one to seriously consider. Using AI tools, you can build niche Instagram pages that grow through short-form reels without ever showing your face or recording your voice. Here's how it works. You can use ChatGPT to write viral-style scripts around a niche like motivation, wellness, business tips, or even fun facts. Then you pair that with B-roll or stock footage using Canva or Pexels, P-E-X-E-L-S, and generate a voiceover using tools like 11 Labs or CapCut's built-in AI voices. These types of accounts can grow pretty quickly, and once you've built a little traction, you can monetize through affiliate links, digital products, or UGC services linked in your bio. You're essentially running a content channel, and once it's set up, it can bring in recurring income without managing clients or posting as yourself. Now, I don't personally like faceless Instagram accounts, but I've seen far too many of them do insanely well to not make you guys aware of them. And if you do enjoy that faceless model, but you want to take it to a platform with even higher income potential, this next one's for you. With the right AI tools, you can build and run a YouTube channel without ever being on camera. Use ChatGPT to write video scripts, generate voiceovers with 11 Labs, and pair them with stock footage or animated visuals using tools like Pictory, Canva, or CapCut. Niches like finance, storytelling, health, or productivity perform very well as faceless channels, especially when you focus on evergreen topics with high CPM potential. Once your videos start gaining traction, you can actually earn money from YouTube AdSense, affiliate links, or even digital products tied to your content. And the best part is you can batch create and schedule everything ahead of time, turning your faceless YouTube channel into a long-term revenue stream that grows even while you're offline. And if you're someone who loves organizing information or creating digital resources that people can download and better their life, this next one is a no-brainer. Simply becoming a digital product creator using AI. You can use ChatGPT to generate outlines, step-by-step guides, or swipe files, and then turn them into polished digital products using Canva, Notion, and Google Docs. Think planners, social media templates, client onboarding guides, email sequences, habit trackers, niche-specific checklists. The possibilities are endless. And you can sell these products passively on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Stan Store, or your own Everbee store, which is the platform that I use to host my content creator website. You can also offer ghost creation services for other creators, coaches, or service providers who want to sell digital products to their audiences, but they don't have the time to build them themselves. This is a great service to price by the project or bundle, and it scales really well if you want to build your own library of digital products too. Next up, if you've ever played around with AI image generators or you're curious about selling on Etsy or print on demand through Printify, this one's going to open up a ton of creative possibilities. Using tools like Midjourney, Kittl, Canva, and ChatGPT, you can design everything from printable wall art to stickers, t-shirts to coloring pages, mugs, and more without needing to draw or be a professional graphic designer, nor hold any inventory whatsoever. Midjourney can help you create stunning visuals, while Kittl and Canva let you edit and stylize them. ChatGPT can help you generate quotes, slogans, or even product descriptions for the items you want to sell. And once your designs are ready, you can sell them as digital downloads on Etsy or launch them as physical products using Printify or Gelato without any inventory. You can also offer this as a service to other e-commerce sellers who don't want to mess with the design side, especially those in niche markets like weddings, pets, or wellness. Once you understand how to pair trend research with AI tools, this becomes one of the most scalable ways to earn passively or work with clients in the e-com space. So, whether you want to work with clients, sell your own products, or build content channels behind the scenes, AI can help you get there faster without burning out or starting from scratch. You do not need a massive audience. You do not need a graphic design degree. You just need the right tools, the right strategy, and a clear way to turn your skills into services people are actually looking for. And if you are interested in learning more about how AI is also currently impacting the UGC creator space, you're going to want to go watch this video next.